Take command of the road in the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, voice-activated navigation, a power liftgate, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.